Well, guys, we got us a little project going on. We're gonna have some concrete put in. It's a good bit of concrete. They've already got the forms laid. Hopefully they'll be out here sometime this week to pour the concrete. And I'm gonna try to get some video of it if I'm gonna be here. But we got this, and we also are doing a 31 by 31 concrete slab over here. They already got a little pad started. But we're going to have to, the pad's got to be wider. He's not done with the pad yet, and he's going to take this tree here, and this pine tree are getting taken out. So all right, guys, so they got the slab poured and the rest of our concrete poured. I wasn't able to get videos of it. I wasn't here, I was at work, but man, they did a good job, man. I mean, it really looks good. That's a 31 by 31 slab there. Now we got a little project today. I'm gonna get some dirt from my dirt pile over there. And we're gonna bring this dirt level up to the edge of the concrete here, so no water can run underneath that slab. So we're gonna come in with the bucket, get it a little smooth, tear up a little bit of this concrete here, smooth it down, and just add some dirt in. That's what we're gonna do. We got it built up a little. We're still gonna get this edge over here. I just saw it. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to dump another bucket there. Well, there it is, man. All right, I think that's gonna do it for this project here. It's looking good. Should I plant grass here, or should I have a load of gravel and bring gravel in here? Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all would do. Would y'all plant grass seed, or would y'all bring gravel in? And I'll hold off on the grass seed and let that settle, I guess. And all right, guys, I appreciate everybody watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one.